Let me tell you about the time I was 14 and my Somali boys saved me from getting robbed. Now, I grew up in an estate, northwest London. About 60 to 70% of my estate was Somali. Now, back in the day, when a game used to come out like COD or FIFA, you would have people queuing Tesco, Asda, Sainsbury's, wherever, at midnight. So as soon as the game comes out, people are there queuing. I think this was FIFA 12 or FIFA 13, I can't remember. Me and my boys from school said, yeah, you know what, we're going to go Asda, we're going to queue up, whatever. Gone to Asda, queued up, we're early in the queue, we're one of the first like 20 people. Cool, we wait, get to the front, get our game, excited, I'm so over the moon. I put the game in my bag, I'm going out. My Somali boys are next to the door. I've spotted them, whatever, said cool, gone. Right outside the Asda, there were about 3 guys just waiting. Now bear in mind, I'm with 2 of my guys from school, so we're all the same age, we're about 14 years old. The guys outside are about 16, 17. I don't care, that's a huge difference at that age. It's not like a 26-year-old chilling with a 28-year-old. No, these guys were giants to me. Anyway, we've walked now, walking towards the bus stop, it's late. I've just heard, oi, oi. It's not like they're running, they're just saying, oi, oi, like, wait for us type thing. Now, alarm bells start going off immediately and here. My boys are like, what should we do? I said, oi, don't look back, because if you look back, they're going to know that you've looked at them, you've acknowledged that they're calling you and you've walked away. So they're going to be pissed. So I said, let's walk to the bus stop because there's people at the bus stop, hopefully less likely for stuff to happen. See how I'm screwed on? My survival instincts are top 5 ever. Cool, now we're going to the bus stop. I've sat down. By the time I've sat down, these guys have bust the corner. They're already here. These long-legged mammals come and stand in front of me. Yo, bro, what you saying? Yeah, you get the new FIFA. I'm like, nah, bro, sorry, man. I went in and the queue was crazy, so I'm just gonna go home. I got school tomorrow. Oh, swear. Oh, yeah, what? You coming back tomorrow, yeah? Yeah, I'm gonna come back tomorrow. Hopefully, I'll come after school, whatever. This guy goes, oh, bro, have you got the time? You think I don't know that trick, you wasio? Now, obviously, he wants me to take my phone out so that he can see the phone, grab the phone, run, because I'm not catching him. I said, nah, bro, I'm sorry, I don't have the time. But you know what? Asda, you go in, there's a huge clock there. I think you can tell the time there. He's giggled a little bit. Obviously, he realized that I'm being a bit cheeky. But I promise you, make the person that's trying to rob you laugh, you're calm. Anyways, I forgot to tell you, why have I looked left and right? My boys aren't there anymore. Till now, I don't know where they are. Bro, why am I alone? So these guys start stepping towards me a little bit. As they're stepping towards me, they look to their right. I've now looked in that same direction. Bro, when I tell you it was like a movie, all my Mali boys and friends, man, them that I've never seen in my life, but their boys, just stood in a line, just waiting. I've never been happier to see a Somali person in my life. SubhanAllah, at that moment, the bus comes. So I've gotten up, I'm walking towards the bus, I look at my boys, I just nod, I say thank you, I get onto my bus. One of the guys that was with me appears, the other one I still don't know where he is. Obviously the 3 guys that tried to rob me just went about their own way. They weren't ready for that. I'm in the bus, I'm relieved, I'm thanking the man them. I look up, I start praying to God. Gone home and I banged out FIFA for about 8 hours, bro. I missed school, I don't care.